Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, try to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spent a couple of hours, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, been asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with
boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. Wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time, and patiently giving you reasons to find courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight,
hold hands if the mood's right,
make plans till the sunrise
and sleep till noon.
I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet
and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with you. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Can we?
If you're gonna go, oh no, I won't say a thing. I won't tell you how I'm gonna drive my mind like a limousine, picking up the wide-eyed people, housing tired satin clothes. My heart's the light caught in a tunnel through which your love's a funnel, and I'm waiting in a lobby waiting for God knows, and I'm waiting for somebody who they already went home, and I will not look twice at what's behind our paper throne. If it must be so, it will be so. A flower still may grow in shade alone.
Are your arms wide enough to hold my oceans inside them? Is your heart warm enough? 'Cause it's cold and I need your love. There's no one who holds me like you, no one who can melt this pain. There's no one who sees me like you, or makes me smile this way. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free. You don't know how you make me sing. You don't know how much you mean to me. Everyone's guessing at life, but your love is sure enough to find me. Everyone's trying to survive. It's you I'm running to for freedom. There's no one who holds me like you, no one who can melt this pain. There's no one who sees me like you do, or makes me smile this way. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free. No, you don't know how you make me sing. You don't know how much you mean to me. Maybe it's the green in your eyes, maybe it's your cheeks when you smile, maybe it's the way you whisper in the middle of the night. You always deserve this. I don't know why. You don't know how. You don't know how. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free. You don't know how you make me sing. You don't know how much you mean to me.
I really like you, I say I don't. I really like to tell you but I won't. Gotta be careful, don't wanna say what I've been feeling if you're not feeling the same. I'm not good at reading between the lines, but I'm not sure you're leaving me any signs. So could you say what's on your mind? If I said I want you, would you want me to? And would you really want me or just something new? 'Cause some things never change, are you okay with that? And that might be a problem, I should say it's bad enough that I'm bad in love. But if loving me is something you still wanna do, just want me to, well, want me to. 'Cause I've been going crazy trying to keep it in my chest, acting like there isn't something I wanna confess. When I'm dying to admit you got me head over my heels, but I keep overthinking, now I'm all up in my feels. So bad holding it all inside. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind, but before I cross the line, tell me, if I said I want you, would you want me to? And would you really want me or just something new? 'Cause some things never change, are you okay with that? And that might be a problem, I should say it's bad enough that I'm bad in love. But if loving me is something you still wanna do, just want me to, well, want me to. If I said I want you, would you want me to? And would you really want me or just something new? 'Cause some things never change, are you okay with that? And that might be a problem, I should say it's bad enough that I'm bad in love. But if loving me is something wanna do. Just want me to, want me to.